Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the HotKing brand, their extra large dual zone air fryer. I've got the light on right now and all the accessories aren't in there yet. I'm going to show you what it comes with. That's a timer for the light to save energy. So I'm going to show you all the things that it comes with. And this is just simply the light on here. We're not turning any heat on or anything. It's got two really nice oversized doors on here with glass, which is really nice, and a lot of functionality in this. We're going to go over everything, and the first thing I'm going to show you is how this was safely shipped to me. So going over some of the functions of this, it's dual zone, which is really important. You can control each one of these zones. It's a toaster oven. It's 28 quarts of size, all stainless steel, convection rotisserie option on there. You could see that you could have this rotate. We're going to show you the accessory for that. This will go 80 degrees to 500 degrees temperature range. There's 10 preset programs and dual zone mastery with French doors. They're calling these French doors. And you have dual zone temperature control. I'm going to just keep putting it on because it's on a timer. And it has a sync function. Premium all stainless steel, as I mentioned. Upper and lower heating elements. We're going to show you a close-up of that. And dual convection fans and LED digital touchscreen on here, which is really nice. You can see right there, it has all the presets. It's all the touchscreen, very easy to use. So we're going to be cooking some dishes in here. A steak with a slow cook at the same time, some potato dishes. We're also going to be cooking a pasta bake in here, which is going to show the dual capability of this also. So one very important thing on the back of the unit, you see the brand name right there. Let me zoom in right here. And you could see right there the ETL reading. That's very important for any appliance. You plug it into your kitchen, their water and sinks. That's really important. I'm really glad to see that. That means all the components were checked electrically, mechanically, the plastics, the metals. That's really great to see that. So the product comes with a lot of accessories in here, and we're going to be installing some of these. This is rotisserie chicken. These baskets are really, really nice quality because they have very tiny pieces of metal on there to hold the food, and the food will just flake off when you're cleaning it, which is nice. It's also trays, drawer sections, and it comes with this nice stainless steel, which is great for grabbing things when you're cooking, turning things over and so forth. This is a way to grab the rod that is going to hold the rotisserie chicken, and this is some gloves so that you don't burn your hand, and a nicely written instruction manual. So here I just wanted to demonstrate. I've got preheat on for both A and B. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. This is heating up the bottom coils and the top coils, and you can hear the fan going. So that's really important. So you see those fans right behind those coils? That's what's shooting the heat down over the food. And here's an infrared camera. I just wanted to show you the coils right there and the even heat that's going on as this is blowing that air down from the top to the bottom and heating up those coils also on the bottom. So here I'm going to demonstrate. I have the oven on both, and I've got a roast selected, and you have a choice of having it rotate. So if I wanted to have a chicken in there, I can turn that on, and you can see the included piece right there will rotate the chicken using the bottom coils and the top coils. Here the drip tray is inserted. Never operate the oven unless you have the drip tray in place. When you're doing dual zone cooking, always make sure that you have, make sure you have the divider that's included in place, so you have two separate zones. This has air in between it, the metal, so it forms insulation to keep those temperatures independent. Here I have the included shelf rails, and you can put them wherever you like. They do have a guide right here to give you the position of what's best for whatever you're cooking. So let's look at the display. That's power, and you have the light that I've been using. You have choice of the left side, or A and B, temperature, time, and presets. You see roast, toast, broil, bake, air fryer. Air fryer is going to use those fans the most. You have reheat, pizza, and fries. Nice presets on there to get you going. So here I'm going to be doing the first baking using the oven here. I'm in the bake mode. It's preheating. It's at 360 degrees. And I'm going to be doing this pasta bake. You can see the reflection there. And we're going to be putting this on the middle rack and baking this and see how it does. So you have a choice of the time. We just reduced the time by default to 30 seconds. You can just change it right there to whatever you want. And you can see that it is in there and it is starting to bake. So here I took the aluminum foil off and it's still baking, and we're going to let it go to the end until it shuts itself off. So here we're going to film as it ends. Its timer right there. You can see it's counting down and it should be all finished at that point. We could use a broiler function on here if we wanted to darken the top of it, but it cooked it very evenly already, so we don't need to have the broiler function on. And there you see it turned it off, and so now we could check the food, how it came out. Wow, very nice. Rounded perfectly on top. Looks amazing. So here I have French fries on the left, and I have a London broiled steak on the right, and I've got it set up with synchronization, and the left side is doing air frying, the right side is doing baking. So the right side is I'm going to slow cook the steak, and the left side is going to be air fried much faster, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the beauty of the dual zones of this unit. So I want to demonstrate. I wanted to increase the time in the dual mode here. You can hit the B and then you can increase the time, because I took a temperature of the inside of the steak and it was running too cool because I had it in the fridge. So this way I can adjust the right side or the left side by going like that, and I can increase the time right there on the French fries because they look like they're almost finished. So it's down to 1 minute for the left side, and the French fries look just about perfect, and the steak is still slow cooking at 250 degrees. I increased the time on it. That's the beauty of the dual zone on there. Let's just take a look. You can see they're all perfect looking, crispy. Look at that. Ready to eat. So there you can see it turned off the left timer for the French fries. And you can see it ends up looking really nice on my counter. So it doesn't take up a lot of space, even though it's got that large capacity. So after testing, what do I think about the HotKing brand, their extra large dual zone air fryer toaster oven? This is a really nice product. Really impressed with the control of either side of these, or have one oven and the simple display on here. Very bright, very clear, very easy to use. You're going to love this for cooking dual things or baking one thing or using the air fryer. The simplicity of the display, the time, the temperature, very easy to utilize this and make successful cooking with your dinners and lunches and breakfast. Really impressed with this product, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.